guys, what's up? It's been a while since I made a video, basically because I started studying for the CPA exam, but I did want to share with you a couple things that I got through the weeks that I haven't made a video. I just got this. It's Clinique Acne Solutions because I have really oily skin, and I usually use Bare Minerals, and it works great. I love it. It's like you can't even feel it on. But I wanted to try this out just because I've been using Bare Minerals for literally 7 years. When I got that, they gave me a free, I got it from Boscov's, I think, and they gave me a free mascara, trial size, but still free. I also got the Anastasia eyebrow kit, and I love this. The only difference that I do that they said in the video to tweeze, and I wax, and from the Avon kit that I got, the wax kit, it works great. I love it. I've probably already used it about 3 times, which means I definitely already made my money back because I would have paid at least $10 each time I got my eyebrows done. So this, love it. I used to use an eyebrow powder from CVS, and it worked really good, but the pencil or the brush or whatever is only like this big, and I lost it. But the powder worked great. So if you get the brush from here, which is even better than the one that one comes with, and then get that powder, you'd probably save yourself a ton of money because this was $80. And that powder works just as good. Like, this one's not anything special or anything like that, but I love the brush. It's so good. And the highlighter that comes with this is by far the best highlighter I've ever used. I also went to Ulta, and when I was there, somebody came up to me and they wanted to do like a skin test or whatever it is. I don't know. So I got a whole thing for, this was $45, and it comes with the face wash, a mask, a clarifying mattifier, an overnight cream, and a spot treatment. And I've only been using this for a little bit, and I can say that the spot treatment definitely works. Other than that, the face wash and stuff is just, I don't know, I think it's the same as any other kind of face wash. But I know somebody asked me about the Mark primer, the eye primer that I was using, and I did notice that with the cream, it isn't that much better than not using it at all. But with powder eyeshadow, it definitely makes it last longer. I noticed a difference in like the pigmentation of the color because it wasn't like the greatest of great eyeshadows, but yeah, that definitely helped with that. Well, that's about it. I just wanted to make a real quick video, and I'm sorry it took so long. This stupid CPA exam is killing me, but hopefully I pass my tests in like a month. So, alright, bye guys, thanks for watching.